Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started! Sige lang. Sige lang. Sige lang, meaning go ahead. Meron bang wifi dito? Meron bang wifi dito? Meron bang wifi dito? Meaning, is there a wifi here? Anong nangyari? Anong nangyari? Anong nangyari? Meaning, what happened? Sino siya? Sino siya? Sino siya? Meaning, who is he or she? Paano pumunta sa? Paano pumunta sa? Paano pumunta sa? Meaning, how do I get to? Nakakatawa ang sinabi mo. Nakakatawa ang sinabi mo. Nakakatawa ang sinabi mo, meaning, what you said is amusing or funny. Ang galing mo. Ang galing mo. Ang galing mo, meaning, you're great or you're good. Matulog ka na. Matulog ka na. Matulog ka na, meaning, go to sleep. Sana all. Sana all. Sana all. This is a Filipino expression that roughly translates to I wish everyone had the same thing or experience. It's often used in a playful or slightly envious manner when someone sees or hears about someone else having something desirable or experiencing something enjoyable that they wish they could have or experience as well. Masaya ako. Masaya ako. Masaya ako, meaning I'm happy. Meron ka bang mga kapatid? Meron ka bang mga kapatid? Meron ka bang mga kapatid? Meaning, do you have siblings? Anong balak mo? Anong balak mo? Anong balak mo? Meaning, what's your plan? Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Meaning, where do you work? Kanino yan? Kanino yan? Kanino yan? Meaning, whose is that? Kanino to? Kanino to? Kanino to? Meaning, whose is this? Handa ka na ba? Handa ka na ba? Handa ka na ba? Meaning, are you ready yet? Hindi pa ako handa. Hindi pa ako handa. Hindi pa ako handa. Meaning, I'm not ready yet. Inaantok na ko. Inaantok na ko. Inaantok na ako, meaning, I'm getting sleepy. Mahalaga to. Mahalaga to. Mahalaga to, meaning, this is important. Alam mo na ba? Alam mo na ba? Alam mo na ba? Meaning, do you know already? Marunong ka ba magpalipad ng saranggola? Marunong ka ba magpalipad ng saranggola? Marunong ka ba magpalipad ng saranggola? Meaning, do you know how to fly a kite? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Meaning, what are you doing now? Paano mo gagawin yon? Pa, no, mo, win, yun. Paano mo gagawin yon? Meaning, how are you going to do that? Nami-miss kita. Na-mi-miss kita. Nami-miss kita. Meaning, I'm missing you. Nagtatanong lang. Nag-ta-ta-nong lang. Nagtatanong lang. Meaning, just asking. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!